What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you real quick how to install a aftermarket lower control arm. This is a BMW E46, but basically any car you buy, you need to do this first before putting in the car. So check this out. This is my old lower control arm, and those are the old bolts. So what I do is I get the old bolt, and there's a way to put on the bottom or on the top, and that's how you get the rear camber. But usually you have this weird nut and weird bolt, and as you tighten this, where's the weird bolt? Right here. It doesn't tighten like normal, it moves. So see, so what I'm doing is you put it in here, put it in there, and then you need to twist this here until it matches the bottom and the top. So I just did that. It matches right there, and here is a little trick here, because you don't know if it's right on the bottom or in the middle. It seems to be on the bottom, so I'm gonna do one turn, or actually this way, and then yeah, it seems better. Maybe one more, so you see the top part's this, and I'm just moving here, and then we get back in there. So this looks good to me. Now we're gonna be ready to install in the car. So first thing, differential gotta be out. It's already out. I'm redoing everything I need. I'm gonna tighten this guys here so it doesn't slightly move as I'm trying to install. I'm gonna put it in there. So this is the upper control arm, and the lower control arm is right there. So what we do, as you see, everything is off here, so I don't need to worry too much, and I need two hands there. I'm gonna put this bolt in there and this little key on the other side, and it is weird like this because it gets in here and it gets stuck in there, and then you don't need to hold with a wrench or something, because there would be a impossible mission, which is gonna be back there. And one more thing to pay attention is this gotta go to the front of the car after the axle. Otherwise you won't be able to move the axle after that. Okay, don't tie too much. Now we gotta move the wheel and put this here in place. I just want to show real quick two main things to look for. One is measure the whole size of the new bar with your old lower control arm, and the second one is go to the front of the axle. There's no way, if you do it wrong, there's no way to put the axle back through. And the other thing is the brakes. If you take the brakes like I did for any reason, the brakes go between the lower control arm, upper control arm, and between the lower control arm and the axle, and inside the shocks. So yeah, everything is mounted. I need to put my differential, all new bushings, and I'm gonna start finish tubing this here and set up everything. So if you are interested in this drift build, just don't forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show the engine real quick. It's a 2JZ engine, 533 horsepower of love. So hope you subscribe, hope to see you around later.